Hey guys, how's everyone? So today I want to do a quick video on a problem I've had with my 10th gen Accord, and then I was having it with this car too. It's a noise that you hear usually when the windows are down. It can be either side, the left side or the right side, but I noticed it on my car when I had my this window down right here. I'd always notice when I hit any kind of bump or unevenness in the pavement, you hear like a little rattle, and it was definitely coming from outside the car. Sounded like it was coming from up here in the front, and my Accord, I had it where it's coming through the rear side, like kind of where the rear tire is. Well, this one sounds like it's coming from here, and you can really hear it if you go like in a tunnel or under an overpass when you go against a cement wall. You can really hear it, and I couldn't really figure it out. Didn't sound like a sway bar, nothing like that, but it just some type of rattle. So I want to let you know what I found out, and it's an easy fix. Like I said, it happens. These are all similar parts, like Honda's, Acuras. So if you're having a problem with some rattling you can hear outside the vehicle, you might want to check this. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what it is here. So like I said, I was experiencing the sound on this front right wheel. I couldn't figure it out until I started messing around with stuff inside here. Turn the light on here. So the sound I was hearing was from this brake heat shield. Now those things on the Hondas, the Acuras, they're all probably real similar, but these ones move a lot. And they're really thin, they're flexible, so they can easily get tweaked. You can see how much that moves there. It could just be hitting a big pothole and moved it just a little bit, where then when you hit bumps, it rubs against something. And that was what my problem was. And it was this irritating rattle that when you had the windows down, you could really hear it. It was like metal on metal, and exactly what it was. So it's easy to do. You can do it with, with wheels like this, you can do it. I don't know if you have the Type S with the little spokes, if you can get your hand in there, but you can just slightly bend it by pulling on it a little bit to give it some more clearance, and that should fix your problem. If you can't do that, you could take the wheel off and do it that way, but this is an easy way if you have wheels that let you access that heat shield. But you can hear that. It's exactly what I was hearing. Just slightly was hitting against something. So I just did a couple pulls on it here. And you have to pull pretty hard on it. And then the sound totally went away. So that was the issue. Like I said, my 10th gen Accord had the same problem on the right rear, and it's just little. It's ever so slightly. If this rubs, I would check all of them if you're getting a sound like that. Like I said, you just have to bend it, I would say not even a 1/4 inch, just slightly pull on it and then test it out. I had to do this actually a couple times. I checked it, I bent it a tiny bit, went to drive, still did it, just not as loud. Came back, pulled a little bit more on different sections of it, and now it doesn't rub at all. It's an easy fix. You don't have to go to the dealer for. Like I said, just be careful. You don't want to bend it too much. Then you can cause it to rub in different areas. But like I said, just slightly pull on one side of it. And the first thing you can do is like go around it and kind of push on it and see where you're getting that metal to metal sound on. If you are hearing that with the windows open, like it's notorious in these cars. Like I said, doesn't take much to bend them. Or if you had your car serviced and the guy was putting the tire on and hit it with the tire when they're putting it on, that can easily tweak it, and then you get that sound. So definitely, if you're experiencing that sound, check that before going to the dealer and them trying to figure out what's wrong with it. I was about to do that because it was really irritating, and I'm glad I found this out. So again, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're having that sound, just check it. Make sure they're all good. It's an easy thing to do in your garage. It doesn't take any special tools either. So again, I hope everyone's doing good out there. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. I appreciate all your guys' support. I do. And I'll catch you on the next one.